welcome back. We'll see a short demo on launching a service ticket. So, as you can see, this is AWS Management Console and Microsoft Azure. Both the platforms are open, and we are going to look for the support in both the platform. So, on Management Console, we'll type over here a support, and then we'll create our case. So, this is how a support dashboard will be open. So you can see a support center, AWS support center. The support center is over here, and our support plan is basic. If we are in enterprise, then it will be a premium plan. So this is how it's all about the support, your personal head dashboard, your support cases. Now here you can see open support cases. So there is no any case that I have opened, but we'll have a short demo on how to create a case. So let's click on create a case. Inside that, you can see there are three different types of cases. So as I said, we are in a basic plan, we'll go for account and billing. And if we were in enterprise plan, then we would have service limit increase or technical support, whatever the limit we wanted. So as we are in basic, so we'll create for account and billing support, that is assistance with account and billing related inquiries. So what are the case details we need to provide? So what type of service you want, what issues are you facing with? So is it a free tire, is it your billing, is it your data exchange? So let's put an account management, or let's go with free tire. So after that, if you select that, then what are the category? Like, is my free tire expired? Why was I billed? General info and getting started. So if you don't know when you're going to, like when your free tire is getting expired, or is it expired? So let's go with this. So for this, as the severity levels available are determined by your support subscription. As it is our basic plan, it will be always a general question to us. Or if we are in technical thing, then we can raise the severity, and then it will be the same provided to the AWS platform, and then they will look for it. Now for this, we need to write a subject, that what is your issue, why you were billed, or like was your free tire expired. We are going with this category, so we need to describe about that, give a little bit summary to that question, and also explain like detailed account of that question or issue. Like in detail you need to summarize your things, and in detail you provide what issue you are going to face, like what are you facing with the free time. So provide the attachment, like you can provide the snapshots, like where you are getting billed and all. So this is how. Then the contact, like how they can contact you, in which language they can contact you. So this is English, and then there are two methods for contacting, that is web, via email and support center, or a phone, which they can call you back at your number. So if you go for phone, then you have to provide your country or region, your phone number and your extension, and then just press submit. So this is how for AWS platform the support, that is the service tickets are raised. So this is how a support cases are being raised. So this is all about AWS platform. Now going to Microsoft Azure, how we need to create a support. We'll see on the left hand side at the last most menu. This is help plus support. Just click over here, and then you can create a support request, choose the right support plan. So there is no request being created, so let's go with a create a support request. Now there are different steps you need to go through, that is problem description, recommended solution, additional details, and review plus create. So issue type, what was your issue type? Was it billing? So we'll go for billing. The subscription was under Microsoft Partner Network. The summary you need to provide as you have provided under like AWS, as I said, and you need to define the problem type. So this is how it will work. Then the recommended solution they will offer. Then you will go for additional. Like let's type over here. Issue is with and let's and okay, so we are unexpected charges are being applied. Then problem subtype, like help me to understand my free trial changes charges, and then we go for next. Here are recommended solutions. So yeah, validate the usage. If you believe you have unexpected or unknown charges, they will recommend you to do this thing. Do you see charge post subscription cancellation? So you need to go through all this. So as we have given the category, how can I estimate? So understanding, like they provide some documentation for support that we can go through, and if not, and if all this doesn't even work, then you need to create it and get a you need to give additional details, and then you can go further. Like all our recommended solutions are not also working for us, then give the when the problem started, what is your subscription id, then your invoice related issues, then give a little detailed information, provide a snapshot for what you're facing, then the support method, what support method you want, maybe a phone call or even email, or then what is your business hours, your availability, your language to be communication, and then create next, and then it will go for review and create. So this is how the support case has been activated for help plus support in Microsoft Azure, and the same way in AWS support dashboard. So this was all about the short demo on support and raising a support case ticket. Let's stop over here.